Hi everyone, it's Renee, and today I am getting caught up on all of my old subscription kit pages that I didn't get done while we were doing our move. This one is called Holly Jolly Days, and it's the second of the two Christmas layouts that came in the subscription kit from Close to My Heart called Craft with Heart. This particular kit is no longer available, but I wanted to go ahead and show it to you today and show you how quick and easy it is to put these together from these subscriptions. However, we do have some new subscription kits coming out, and you can go and check in my website. You can either do a monthly, a 4-month, or a 12-month subscription. The monthly subscription is exactly what it is. It comes out every month. You get charged for it once a month, and you can cancel any of them anytime. It comes to $22.90 for 1 month. That includes your shipping. Your 4-month kit, that is $69.55 including shipping. And then if you do the year-long kit, if you do the 1-year kit, it is free shipping, and it comes to $172.32 for 12 months of layouts, and you get 2 full layouts per month, so 4 full pages. This is the one we're going to do today. And also, if you get the 12-month subscription, you get 30 free prints in each one of your subscription boxes from Persnickety. So that would be 90 free prints a year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. I've already taken apart all of my die cuts. I have separated my sticker sheet, and I am sorry I keep shaking the camera. Sorry about that. And on my die cuts, these die cuts this time were really easy to figure out which one went with which layout, so I didn't number these. Each of the 2 layouts have very different pieces, so I didn't have to worry about that this time. So we'll just go ahead and get started. I am going to go ahead and speed up the process for you and find you some nice music to listen to, and then I'll be back at the end. So enjoy. Okay, it's done now. I almost forgot to put the little sentiment there on the bottom, that this is the second layout. I really like those non-traditional colors. I think that's really happy. You will notice that I used my measuring just to make sure that I was getting this curve right. And then I thought it would be nice to even this out a little bit, put these two straight as well as this one straight so that you still had something that was straight on the page. But I think it turned out good. So there's the first two. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon as I get my delivery of the next quarter's subscription kit, and I'll show you what's in it, and I'll show you the layouts that are coming up. And I also have something really fun for January. It's National Paper Crafting Month, and I have a really neat project. I have no idea how long it'll take me to do it, but I will record the whole thing and then just speed it up for whatever it needs to be sped up. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.